Abilities and not institutions that made mistakes. Were it the
State Minister of Foreign Affairs, Henry Okello Oryem, has said the misconduct of Ambassador Aceng and Ambassador Mayega has got no impact on the country, Uganda. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel.
You asked me a question, and I wanted to answer for you guys, but you people, everybody is shouting.
No, they can listen now. We can listen to what you're saying, but you need to be fair.
Ambassador Ruth Aceng landed in problems when she attempted to interrupt a protest organized by National Unity Platform supporters in Ottawa, Canada. Meanwhile, Ambassador Henry Mayega was ordered out of Dubai, United Arab Emirates, for keeping lottery machine in the embassy office. On a televised interview with NTV Uganda, Okello Oryem said the two incidences will be investigated. He said Ambassador Aceng will be interrogated on reaching Uganda following the order by the Canadian government that she should leave the country not later than the 21st of this month. Investigators will as well be sent to those two embassies to dig out facts, according to Okello Oryem. However, he accused Noob supporters of hooliganism, and he said they are always very provocative. Okello Oryem said Aceng and Mayega did commendable job before, and their mistakes that landed them into problems are just personal mistakes that will not impact the country.
Abilities and not institutions that made mistakes. Were it the institution of our embassy that was being questioned, or the institution of our UAE that's being questioned, and not the individuals, then I would be concerned. If our image is to be impacted, then our embassy will be asked to close down, or both in Canada and in the UAE. That would be of concern to me. But in particular case, the individuals are the ones being impacted.
We don't care about them. Let them shout like
they can shout like little dog, wild dog, little dog.
They're liars.
Yes, they are not real. They're coming here to deceive people. We've shown them that NRM is alive. Right?
In Canada.
Yes. Miuma Puamero.
Yes.
Mengara.
Pang boss me kada bu yeki.
Action mero pang boss me ko
Ya me ko pin ka.
Bon me kabin yer jore kai.
Yer wan me.
Yer wan puange yer dano.
For Lao News Channel, I am Denish Ongora.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.